Welcome to another new episode of the Get Organised with Declutter Me podcast with myself, Shelina. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. I hope you had a lovely holiday wherever you went this summer if you went on holiday, whether it was to a hot or cold country, because some of you crazy people like going to cold places in the summer months. It's weird. I had a lovely few weeks in Italy and France with my family and came back totally refreshed for the autumn months. However, there's always that post-holiday dread, the unpacking. But fear not, in this episode, I'll be your guide to mastering the art of organised unpacking, as I've done it a few times for myself and for my clients. Yep, I've done it for my clients. So let's dive in. First, let's start with an important thing, the mindset shift. Unpacking can be an extension of your holiday experience. Think of it as an opportunity to relive the memories and cherish the moments. Approach it with a positivity and a sense of accomplishment, and you'll find that process much more enjoyable. I know it sounds weird, but why have this negativity as soon as you land and get back to the house and you have your suitcases? Let's continue. You'll still be able to smell the beautiful scents of your holiday, except for the dirty laundry. But yeah. Did you know that the journey towards organised unpacking actually begins before you leave for your holiday? Did you know that? So pack with the purpose by using packing cubes, which I always talk about and love. So I buy my packing cubes from Muji, but you can buy them on Amazon. There's so many other places you can buy them from now. But use packing cubes or separate bags for various categories like your clothes, your toiletries, your electronics, and your shoes. This will save you a whole lot of time when you come back home. So when you're packing to come back from your holiday, use those same packing cubes to sort out your clothes. Everything that I will go in the washing machine goes in a laundry bag. And I use one packing cube for the dry cleaning and the rest to store clothes and items that I have bought while I'm on holiday or the clothes that I haven't used whilst I was on holiday. Using the cubes makes it easier to find everything in less than 5 seconds once I unpack. Everything is categorized and it just makes it so much more sensible. So in one packing cube, I'll put food items, in one mementos, in one different types of clothes, or I'll categorize clothes into different packing cubes depending on how many I've got left. So make it so that it's easier for you when you do unpack and have to start taking things and putting it into the relevant places, whether it's your bedroom, your kitchen, your living room, etc. And so, and also shoes, put them all together in one place in the suitcase instead of in various places. So it's easy to take out all the shoes and then put them in your shoe cabinet. So now that you're back home, designate an unpacking area. It's time to lay out your items systematically. So unpack one bag at a time and sort the items into categories like your clothes, accessories, and gadgets. This step is crucial for maintaining clarity and reducing feeling overwhelmed. So what I always start off with is my handbag because it's the smallest thing and has usually the easiest things to deal with, which is usually my passport and my cash and stuff like that. So I can put that straight away into the safe. Next, I do my hand luggage because that's quite small and will be less overwhelming. And then I go to the suitcase. And so do it step by step. Don't take everything out and then leave it all out and then go, oh my God, where do I start? Do it one bag at a time. So chances are your clothes have absorbed some vacation adventures too. So before you mix them all up with all your other stuff, create a separate pile for your dirty clothes. So I usually have them all in laundry bag. So I just take that laundry bag and put it next to the washing machine or by the laundry bag or in a separate area. So you can do that as well. And this will make your post-trip laundry routine smoother and prevent clean clothes from being unintentionally soiled. Next, let's deal with the souvenirs. So they're magical memories, but they often end up cluttered, just lying around on a table or on a coffee table or something. So assign specific spots for them straight away, be it a shelf, a shadow box, or even an integrated into your home decor. This ensures that your mementos are displayed and enjoyed immediately. As you unpack, take note of any travel supplies that need replenishing. Is your travel size shampoo finishing? Did you lose a travel adapter? Keep a checklist of the restock items efficiently for your next adventure. And also check the expiry dates on the items, on the toiletries and on the medicines you took with them. If they're expired or close to expiring, use them or discard them. With makeup, remove them and use them in your home, because unless you know you're traveling again soon, makeup, especially eyeliner and mascara, has a short shelf life. They only last for 6 months once it opens. So do not keep them hidden in your toiletries bag, especially if you don't travel very often. Next, let's talk about the digital stuff. In this digital age, unpacking goes beyond physical items. So organize your digital memories too. Transfer photos from your camera or your smartphone, create folders, and even back up your files. This ensures that your holiday memories are safe and easily accessible. And this is something you can do once you're lying on your couch, watching a movie on Netflix or something, and you can start going through your photos. As you conclude your organized unpacking journey, take a moment to reflect on your holiday. So journal your thoughts, your lessons learned, and any memorable experiences. This practice not only preserves your memories, but also helps you grow from your travels. There you have it, my lovely listeners. I hope you found this comprehensive guide to unpacking for your holiday in an organized and stress-free manner helpful. By embracing these tips, you'll transform this chore into a satisfying ritual that enhances your post-vacation glow. So thank you for joining me on this episode of Get Organised with Declutter Me. Stay organised, stay inspired, and until next time, remember that every unpacked suitcase is a step closer to your next adventure. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.